Welcome back. This is KTN Business. Now, after a successful first phase of the Buy Kenyan Build Kenya super sale in Nairobi and Mombasa, the government-led initiative is in Nyeri for a 3-day stretch from early Wednesday, keen to replicate the successes achieved in Nairobi and Mombasa, which attracted over 200,000 Kenyans. The Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment expects the sale to establish a new supply chain of export quality clothes in the Mount Kenya region. Over 5,000 people turned up at the Dedan Kimathi Kamukunji grounds for the super sale ahead of the National Madaraka Day celebrations that will be held at the Ask Kabiruini showground in Nyeri County. All the clothes, ASK Kabiruini that is, the organizers say they have made the prices affordable so that everyone can afford new clothes at a fair price.
Tunataka watu wapate nguo ambayo iko na mpya na wapate kwa bei ambayo ni nafuu. Mara nyingi tunaona watu wetu wanaenda hapa Kikomba na mali zingine wakipata hizo nguo mitumba na inakuwa na bei ya juu kabisa, na hizo iko na athari zake.
They're all present here to showcase their good products to people to buy and take value of an affordable quality clothing as against the mitumba, which is much, much higher in price. So what we are showcasing is you can buy new goods at an affordable price.
Today's experience was awesome. The clothes are good quality, excellent prices, and I've enjoyed the shopping experience. I would want to encourage young people to come here and buy clothes. And also, it's a business opportunity for the young people to come and buy clothes